Hi students, I'm here to get you started on checkpoint 1. So if you are someone who for math, you got a red or a yellow on your checkpoint number 1 of your learning from home, then I'm here to get you started. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your year page on Summit. For Math 7, go over to your math units and let's go to the blue line, which is angles, triangles, and prisms. And let's click there. And you can see I've got my overview. I have checkpoint number 1. This was due on April 3rd, but let's still get something done here. So I'm going to click on that checkpoint. Beautiful. One thing is, because this is already overdue, it was due last week or maybe a few weeks ago now if you're watching this, I just want to show you the one section we want you to do to get a green. Okay, so let's scroll down. Don't worry about the weekly check-in. The only part you're going to do is this math mindset work. So I'm just going to talk you through this real quick. While school is closed, every math student at your school will do an online course called How to Learn Math. You will be asked to do one lesson each week. These include a few videos and a few quiz questions. Each week will take anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is sign up. You can click on the course in English or the course in Spanish, either one, okay? There's a video that will walk you through how to sign up. So I encourage you, click on whether you want to do it in English or Spanish, and then open this video and follow that, okay? In the video, I show you how to go through lesson 1. I show you how to copy your answer to the quiz at the end of lesson 1. And I also tell you to do this part for number 4. As soon as you complete that, please go up. You're not going to be able to see where my mouse goes. You're going to go up to the top right of your screen. It's over there, and click the blue button to request feedback. And that's it. You're all done with checkpoint 1. Move on to checkpoint 2.